also have this empty tin box containers which you usually throw away, but rather than throwing it away, I have a way to recycle it. So come along with me and transfer this to this. I will apply gesso on it first. This is my homemade gesso. Tutorial is available on my channel and link is provided in the I button, so you can check it out later. Apply gesso on it first and let it dry. Once it is dry, it looks like this. Now let's decorate it. I have this decoupage napkin which is from Itsy Bitsy. It is in really beautiful print. Itsy Bitsy carry a huge amount of decoupage sheets, so you can just go there and grab that amazing tissue papers from there. Now in decoupage we do not want even edges, if you guys know. So first of all I will be tearing it up freehandly. Now we have 2 plies more behind the printed paper, so we only need this. Then why are you keeping it? Throw it away. We only need the printed one. Now I am using this Fevicryl Mod Podge gloss glue to decoupage this. If you can also make this decoupage glue at home, let me know if you guys want my version. Spread the glue using any brush. Now be very careful while you are sticking this decoupage napkin on any substance object, because this paper is really thin and it can tear anytime, so be aware of that. Using any dry brush, do it like this, and to avoid wrinkles and bubbles or air bubbles in it, use any plastic wrap like this and press it like I am doing. Now in the same way I'll be applying it to all over my tin can. And here sticking is done. Now let's go and give it a finished look. We need nail cutter to remove this extra part. If you don't have that, you can even use nail finer if you guys have, but this is available easily at any home, so I'm just using that. Remove in such a way as I'm showing. We are done with the basic thing which we wanted to do. Now I'll apply 2 more coats of decoupage glue on it, which will protect it from dust and water. I'm using this jute rope which I had to tie it on the neck of this tin can. If you don't have that, don't worry, you can leave it as it is, it will look good, but this is just an extra step I'm using to make it look more beautiful. Tie a beautiful knot like this, and we are done. Hope you all enjoyed the project. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow us on Instagram and Moj. ID is in description. See you guys next time.